You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words correctly in English, in British English and American English. They have similar pronunciations, although just tiny bit different. British English pronunciation is as worry, worry, worry. American English pronunciation, you usually say it as worry, worry. How to pronounce worry or worry? So the first syllable may sound a tiny bit different depending on the accent. Worry. How to pronounce worry. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.